Good morning, my lovely grade 4 students. How are you? This is your English social studies teacher, Mrs. Dina Yehia. Welcome on board. How are you all? I wish everything's okay and you are staying safe at home. Before the session starts, I'd like all of you to have a bottle of water and also to wipe your hand, then watch the video. Today we are going to speak about Chapter 9, Our American Culture, Lesson 3, Our American Heritage. Let's ask ourselves, what's heritage? A heritage is something that we inherit from our ancestors. Like in Egypt here, we inherit some customs, habits. Also, we inherit the river Nile, we inherit the pyramid and some important landmarks. Here we can move to a landmark. Landmark, it's the most popular places in the country. So when we move to America and the American landmarks, we shall speak about so many places. By the end of this session and by the end of this lesson, you are going to know what's the American landmarks, the location of the Statue of Liberty, and we will speak about what's liberty and what's the relation between liberty and America. Let's look here in the picture and you will find two major landmarks that are found in America. Let's start by the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is found in New York. It was a gift from France to America, a sign of friendship. This statue refers to the good relation between both countries, France and America. They give America this statue as a sign of friendship. At the upper picture, you will see some faces, some four faces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's ask ourselves, who are these faces? Let me tell you that this statue or this mount is called Mount of Rushmore or Rushmore Mount. Mount Rushmore, it's a mount of the 4 presidents of the U.S. Starting from George Washington, the first president, the first American president. This mount has the picture of George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. So we have 4 pictures of 4 persons carved on a cliff. To carve something means to put their picture on a stone so that nothing can change it. So these images, they are carved into a cliff. It's a place in the south of Dakota. So now we have 2 major landmarks in America. One is a sign of friendship and sign of liberty called the Statue of Liberty. And the second one is Mount Rushmore that has the 4 faces of the presidents of America. George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. Here, as shown on the slide, you can see the faces so vivid and so clear. So Abraham Lincoln, Roosevelt, Jefferson, and George Washington. The Statue of Liberty, as we have said, is a sign of friendship between both countries, America and France. France had given this statue on 1885. It dedicated this statue in 1885 as a sign of friendship and of good relation between both countries. Also, after we have spoken about the most important statues and landmarks in America, we shall move to some important facts about America. Each country in the whole world have a memorable days that cannot be forgotten. These days are they differ from one country to another. If we spoke about America, we shall say that it has national days. National American Days, it comes from the American heritage, so it's something inherited. National holidays celebrate important events and people in history. The American holidays that are the most popular and most important holidays that you should know is the birthday of Dr. Martin Luther King. This they celebrate on his birthday in January. Also, people celebrate the President's Day in February. Also, on November, they celebrate the Veterans Day. So we have three memorable days in American culture or in American heritage that they should remember. The first one is the birthday of Dr. Martin Luther King, as we have said, in January. The second one in February for the President's Day. And third one is in November, which is the Veterans Day. But the most important day to be remembered in America is the Independence Day. If you remember before, there was a movie that's called The Independence Day. It's how they appreciate the day they gain their independence. This day comes on the 4th of July. So now let's revise again the American holidays or the memorable days in America. In January, the birthday of Dr. Martin Luther King. In February, the President's Day. November, the Veterans Day. And on the 4th of July is the American Independence Day. At the end of the session, I hope that everything's okay, every point is clear. If you have any question, please send me on Edmodo and don't hesitate to send me any question if you face any problem in this lesson. Just send me and I will explain it to you again. Your homework will be on page 24 and the two questions on page 25, they will be due the day before the next session. So please send it to me on Edmodo and feel free to ask any question. Before the video will end, I would like you to have a look on the coming video that shows how shall we avoid the spread of virus corona. Let's see together. Wash your hand with the soap. Avoid touching eyes, mouth, and nose. Avoid to cough like that. Put something on your mouth. Avoid crowded places. Stay at home safely. And also, if you have a cough, so take care. Take the medication, and God bless you all and keep you safe for your families and for your beloved school, El Hussein International School, and for your teacher too. Thank you very much. See you next session, inshallah, and bye bye.